2026 Tomahawk is more than just a machine. It's a bold statement of futuristic design, unrelenting power, and cutting-edge innovation. This motorcycle defies convention and blurs the line between a concept vehicle and production reality. With a name that evokes speed, aggression, and American muscle heritage, the Tomahawk isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution on two wheels, or in this case, four. At first glance, the 2026 Tomahawk commands attention with its low slung, wide body stance and aggressive aerodynamic profile. It's built like nothing else on the road, pushing the boundaries of motorcycle design. The front features a split headlamp configuration with razor-sharp LED strips that slice through the darkness. Air intakes dominate the frontal area, channeling airflow to keep the monstrous engine cool. From every angle, the Tomahawk exudes a sense of raw dominance. The carbon fiber bodywork, exposed suspension components, and seamless flow of form and function make it look like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Underneath its futuristic shell lies a power plant that is simply insane. The heart of the 2026 Tomahawk is a reworked 8.4-liter V10 engine, derived from Dodge's legendary performance line. Pushing over 550 horsepower, this beast delivers acceleration that shatters expectations. The exhaust note is thunderous, a mechanical roar that echoes power with every twist of the throttle. The torque delivery is immediate, violent, and relentless. The Tomahawk doesn't whisper performance, it screams it. But it's not just about brute force. The engineers behind the 2026 Tomahawk have integrated a suite of advanced technologies to keep all that power in check. A new generation of electronic stability controls, adaptive suspension, and traction systems make the ride surprisingly controllable for a machine of this magnitude. It also features AI-assisted dynamic ride mode adaptation, adjusting power, suspension, and braking behavior in real time based on road conditions and rider input. It gives you confidence whether you're blasting down a straightaway or carving tight corners. The Tomahawk doesn't follow traditional motorcycle layout norms. Instead of the usual two-wheel setup, it rides on four independently suspended wheels. This unconventional configuration offers unprecedented stability, particularly at high speeds. Each wheel is mounted on a single-sided swing arm, allowing for a lean angle and handling behavior that mimics a superbike, but with the extra security of enhanced grip and control. It's like piloting a futuristic racing pod rather than a traditional motorcycle. Step into the cockpit and you're greeted by a command center that rivals that of a fighter jet. A fully digital, customizable heads-up display projects speed, gear position, lean angle, and G-forces. Integrated telemetry feeds provide live feedback, and the onboard AI assistant keeps the rider informed about performance metrics, road hazards, and navigation. Haptic controls embedded in the handlebars allow seamless interaction with key functions without taking your hands off the grips. The seat is sculpted for aerodynamics and rider support, keeping you locked in place even under brutal acceleration. The 2026 Tomahawk also marks a leap in connectivity. It comes with built-in 5G communication modules, enabling live diagnostics, firmware updates, and cloud-synced riding profiles. Riders can also engage with a global community through the Tomahawk app, share telemetry data, race times, or even join virtual ride challenges with other owners around the world. This level of digital integration turns the Tomahawk into more than a motorcycle. It's an ecosystem. Despite its wild appearance and incredible capabilities, the Tomahawk is a surprisingly refined machine. With adaptive suspension that adjusts damping in milliseconds, advanced noise cancellation systems in the helmet interface, and ride-by-wire smoothness, it's possible to enjoy the Tomahawk in urban environments without the harshness usually associated with high-performance bikes. But make no mistake, the soul of this machine lives on the open road, in the rush of air and the blur of passing scenery. The Tomahawk is also a design masterpiece. It's available in several bespoke color options, each infused with metallic flakes and high-gloss finishes that shift tone under different lighting. LED accent strips flow along the body lines, giving it a stealthy, cyberpunk edge. Every panel, every component has been sculpted not just for performance, but for drama. It's an attention magnet, a head-turner, and a dream realized in steel, carbon, and tech. In terms of safety, the Tomahawk includes radar-assisted collision detection, 360-degree camera coverage, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking assist. These features, once reserved for luxury cars, are now fully integrated into this motorcycle platform hybrid, giving riders peace of mind as they explore its massive performance envelope. The production of the 2026 Tomahawk is extremely limited. Each unit is handcrafted, serialized, and fully customizable to the owner's preferences. From custom exhaust tuning to seat materials and display configurations, the Tomahawk experience is tailored from the ground up. And with a price tag that places it in the realm of supercars, this isn't a machine for everyone. It's for those who demand the extreme. For those who dream in octane and live on adrenaline. As electrification continues to sweep through the automotive world, the Tomahawk is a defiant roar in the face of silence. It represents the pinnacle of internal combustion performance before the industry shifts into a quieter future. It's the kind of machine that will be talked about for decades, an icon for collectors and speed lovers alike. In a world that increasingly favors practicality and efficiency, the 2026 Tomahawk is a celebration of excess, emotion, and mechanical artistry. It is not just the future of high-performance motorcycles, it is a glimpse into what happens when engineers and designers are given the freedom to go wild, unchained by convention. So if you ever get the chance to see a 2026 Tomahawk in the flesh, or better yet, hear it, count yourself lucky. Because this machine is not just rare. It is legendary. A modern myth on wheels. And for those few who dare to tame it, the ride will be unforgettable.